than I am. No, this was your idea.
Can I help you guys?
We have a solution to your problem.
I didn't know I had a problem.
Well, we know it's hard for you to do exit interviews when people are leaving, so we thought this might be a good addition.
What better way than to give them what they love? Cats and lasers.
Cats and lasers!
Haven't I already rejected this idea?
Completely different.
With a little bit of help from Jared, I think this could be a great addition to the internal procedures.
This sounds like a more crappy idea than I've ever heard before.
Okay, well, let's just watch it.
Last time on Laser Cats, Nitro and Admiral Spaceship fought off the evil finance analyst Robotron, who was trying to destroy the core values. In a valiant effort, Admiral Spaceship destroyed Robotron and fell into a deep coma from her laser wounds. Back in the laboratory, Nitro used the lasers to revive Admiral Spaceship. Now a new villain is trying to take over the world. Some will use the cats for good, others for evil. Who will win in the world of Laser Cats?
Thanks for reviving me back at base, Nitro.
I couldn't protect the partnership without you. There's something fishy about the judge guy leaving us.
I know. We should go check it out.
Let's roll.
Workforce Partnership, how may I help you? Shoot, it's locked. What are we gonna do?
We need a diversion.
Let's listen with our Zen-App 3000.
I think he's on the phone.
Do you hear anything?
Shh, I'm trying to listen.
Mine's not working.
Explosion. Oh, crap!
What's that over there?
It's a memo. He says he's going to use his knowledge somewhere else.
What do we do now?
We have to stop him. Let's get out of here.
We have to stop him.
Gotta take him down. It's the only way. Reginator.
Puny humans, prepare to die.
I'm out of ammo again.
I gave you my spare last time.
I don't know.
I'll use this cat grenade.
Explosion.
How dare you try to leave with your knowledge?
Looks like this is a one-way ticket, Kimosabi.
There's no getting past these laser cats.
No, there's no getting past us. So?
What did you think?
Surprisingly, I like this idea.
Really?
No. Get the out of my office. Now!
Over to.
Yeah, I gotta go.